Given that a cherry is a fruit, would you say that cherries are fruits? Well, the Java compiler certainly thinks so. The program is acceptable, so let's run it. What happens at runtime? We get an array store exception at line 22, respectively at line 15. Why does this happen? So we pass a cherry array and treat it as a fruit array. And then we try to store a banana into that fruit array, which is in reality a cherry array. And of course, a banana does not belong into a cherry array. That's why we get an array store exception, unfortunately, only at runtime. That's one of Java's few static type holds, which was fortunately fixed in Kotlin. So let's look at the Kotlin code. If we have a function that accepts an array of fruit, then we can only pass an array of fruit. If we try to pass an array of banana, that's a static type error, even though in practice nothing bad would happen here. And of course, if you pass an array of cherry, then the same type error happens. So this problem is already caught at compile time. Now, unfortunately, we would like to be able to pass an array of banana. So how could we make this code compile? We could simply write another function that accepts an array of banana, right? That would be this guy here. So we accept an array of banana, and then we have the exact same code here. So this is just code duplication with two different signatures. Okay, so of course it would be really nice if we could combine the fruit case and the banana case into one function that accepts all three cases. Can we write that in Kotlin? Yes, we can. That looks like this. So now we accept an array of in banana, which is an array that accepts where we can store bananas into the array. That's why the in keyword comes in here. And then we can store a banana into it. Now here we get an interesting, if we leave this out, we get an interesting error message here that basically tells us this guy could be null. Why does this happen? Well, what kinds of arrays can we pass here? It could be an array of banana, an array of fruit, an array of Kotlin any, or even nullable types of those. So if we ask what is the type of fruit 0, then that's a nullable any reference. Okay, so this signature is really only useful if you want to store stuff into the array. If you want to read from it, you won't be able to treat it as a banana or a fruit, because you're not even guaranteed that you have any object. Okay, can we even write a function that accepts all four cases, where we can pass fruit arrays, banana arrays, or cherry arrays? Yes, that would look like this. That's an array of out fruit, which means we can only pull out fruits from the array. We can't put anything in. And then, of course, the trying to put a banana into the array simply doesn't compile then. So we cannot reproduce the erroneous Java program in Kotlin, which is a good thing, of course. Okay,